Hey everyone, welcome back to Janta Sports and Toys. Today we have got something really exciting and educational. Not one, not two, but four beautifully crafted premium quality globes. They come in different sizes from super compact to quite large, and trust me, the smallest one is literally smaller than my hand and the biggest one it's almost 4 times the size of that. So let's start unboxing. All four globes are made with premium materials. The surface has a smooth, glossy finish, and the printing is crisp and clear. Each globe spins 360 degrees on its sturdy base, whether you are a student, teacher, traveler, or a decor lover. These globes are perfect for learning, gifting, or home decor. The best part, they come in a matched set, so you can use them individually or as a decorative set to show size comparison. You can use the smallest one for kids' rooms or study tables, medium ones for school projects, larger ones for teaching and decorations, and the biggest one for libraries, office, or even gifts for geography lovers. They are also great for events, stage decoration, or even product shoots. So, which one is your favorite globe? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this unboxing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such cool and educational toy reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, only on Janta Sports and Toys.